Well, it's a simple idea that could save a life. Narcan reverses the effects of an opioid overdose, keeping it from turning fatal. But instead of getting Narcan from a doctor or from police, KREM 2's Cody Proctor reports some communities can now get it from a different source.
That's exactly right, Amanda. And it's pretty easy to get, say, a candy bar, a bag of chips, or a soda from a vending machine. All it takes is a little cash and the push of a button or two. But what if getting Narcan could be this easy? In Wenatchee and Moses Lake, it is.
They look like any other vending machine, but instead of snacks, it's Narcan.
It was really an innovative idea. We didn't know if it was possible.
These recently installed Narcan vending machines are part of a project for the Central Washington Recovery Coalition and the North Central Accountable Community of Health, with the aim to get Narcan out to those who might need it in a time of crisis.
And we came up with that idea because we were distributing them by hand, and it was taking a lot of time.
According to Hunter, overdoses increased since the pandemic began due to isolation and the shutdown of services and resources. With funding from Beacon Health Options, there are now 2 Narcan vending machines in central and eastern Washington, with one at Wenatchee's Alano Club and the other at the Open Doors Homelessness Sleeping Center in Moses Lake. Hunter says they wanted these machines to have very few barriers, with no paperwork necessary and no cash required.
So people that struggle or know somebody that's struggling has a safe place they can walk in and get Narcan without any questions and without labeling themselves as somebody in active addiction.
Hunter says one of the biggest barriers to getting Narcan to people dealing with addiction can be the stigma, something he's very familiar with.
They're not going to go into their family doctor and ask for Narcan. They're not going to go to a pharmacy and buy it. I know from my own experience that the last thing I ever wanted to do was tell my family doctor that I was struggling with opiate addiction.
But despite the negative reactions from some, these machines will be here, waiting to potentially save a life.
Now, the group also plans to install a 3rd Narcan vending machine in Omak at the Family Health Center. That one is currently in the process of being built and is expected to be put in early next year. Reporting in the newsroom, Cody Proctor, KREM 2 News.